Hey, guys, listen. Hey, this is Sony from KOTR. Whoosh, my Kompa. Listen, February 10th, I'm so excited because I'm gonna be in the building. I will be judging at the first national Haitian dance competition hosted by Chalelakay. Roy, listen, it's only $15. I think it's $15. $15. Now, I heard there was gonna be some funny people there. I heard Prince Chills, Zopozi, Success Jr. Boy, I'm ready to get some jokes in. So listen, take your phone, turn it around, start typing. Get your tickets now. It's on Eventbrite, it's on the website. The phone number is even on this post right here. See the phone number? I got it live. So go ahead and get the number, call them now, get your tickets now. There's gonna be a lot of people in the house, a lot of jokes, a lot of competition. Listen, they're coming with it. There's a folklore, hip-hop dancing, booty shaking, twerking. All of that. Tunde, if you're not in the building, pedi pakatisa. Ala shitikia kunyala.